Hello everyone and welcome back to Art of Decor. We share awesome ideas to decorate your life easier. In this video, I can show you some different modern luxury living room ideas to decorate your home with latest living standard styles. Luxury living room ideas offer a host of inspiring benefits that elevate the overall living experience and create a sense of opulence and comfort. Here are some of the key advantages. Sophisticated aesthetics. Luxury living room design exude elegance and sophistication. They showcase refined decor, high quality materials, and attention to detail, resulting in a visually stunning and inviting space. Opulent comfort. Luxury living rooms prioritize comfort and indulgence. Plush seating, luxurious textiles, and well-designed layouts create a cozy and sumptuous ambience, inviting relaxation and enjoyment. Personalized expressions. With luxury living room ideas, homeowners can express their personal style and taste. It allows for customization and creativity, making the space uniquely theirs. Enhance socializing. A well-designed luxury living room become a captivating backdrop for hosting guests and social gatherings. It creates a welcoming atmosphere that encourages meaningful interactions and memorable experiences. Investment in quality. Luxury living room design often features premium finishings and finishes. Investing in high quality pieces ensures durability and longevity, making it a wise long term investment. Stress relief. The opulence and comfort of luxury living room ideas can contribute to stress relief and relaxation. Coming home to a beautiful and tranquil space and promote overall well-being and mental rejuvenation. Sense of prestige. Luxury living rooms evoke a sense of prestige and status. They can boost one's self-esteem and provide a sense of accomplishment, elevating the overall perception of the home. Value addition. A well-designed luxury living room can significantly increase the value of the property. Prospective buyers and renters are often drawn to homes with elegant and luxurious living spaces. Timeless appeal. Luxury living room design often incorporative timeless elements that transcend trends. They remain stylish and relevant for years, providing long-lasting beauty and appeal. Wellness and luxury. Luxury living rooms can incorporate wellness elements such as cozy reading books, relaxation spaces, or integrated technology for entertainment, enhancing the overall living experience. Showcasing art and collections. Luxury living rooms offer the perfect backdrop for displaying art collections and cherished decor items. They allow homeowners to showcase their prized possessions and add character to the space. Design inspiration. Luxury living room ideas can serve as a source of design inspirations for other areas of the home. They provide a wealth of ideas and concepts that can be adapted to various rooms and spaces. Overall, luxury living room ideas go beyond aesthetics and comfort. They create as experiential living environment that celebrates the finer things in life, providing homeowners with a studio of elegance and grandeur. Join the creative journey with me and let's explore the world of art and design together. Please like my video and subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.